What if I told you that you could schedule all of your content in 5 different platforms in under 3 minutes directly from Notion? If you are a solopreneur or you're running a tiny team and you are trying to stay consistent on social without it taking over your life, then this episode is for you. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I do it using the content multiplier template I built in Notion and a fun little integration called Notion Social. So let's jump in. First, we're going to navigate to our social media calendar in Notion. As you can see, I've got a lot of posts already queued up. And you're just going to pick the date that you want your anchor or your first post to go on. I am going to just rename it what I want the topic to be for here. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my media. Oh, maybe I never exported it. So let me go and export this real quick. Stop chasing the algorithm. Oh, that's silly me. And then what I'm gonna do is write a caption really quick. Great. We're gonna copy it over. Go ahead and paste into our episode. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna apply my template here. I'm gonna go ahead and copy just so it has as much context as possible what I'm saying in the key. Wait, it's posting down there. I don't want it to, but and then I also want to post what it says in the entire episode. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that, copy. And this is where the magic begins. Okay, so once I've got this, I'm gonna go ahead and choose what time I want to publish. I know Mondays at 12 p.m. or when my audience is on Instagram. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna pick the platform that I wanted to publish on. And I can go ahead and multiply my content now. And when I do this, you can say that I have created 4 new pages. Instead of clicking open here, I'm just going to go here because all these pages are linked to this one page. I'm going to upload my file one more time because unfortunately Notion does not transfer media files over from one page to the other. So we're going to upload that really quickly. And then we can though just drag it all the way down. So now you can see that I've got a Pinterest, I've got a LinkedIn post, I've got a YouTube, and I've got a TikTok. And now I want to go ahead and create some platform specific captions for each of these. I've got my AI prompt already loaded up into how I like to write my captions for each platform. So I'm just going to quickly do this, read over it, make any tweaks that I need to, and then I'm going to move on to the next one. And then I'm going to move on to the next one. And then I'm going to move on to my Pinterest. Here we go. You can see I've got my template set up so that it is already populating the stuff that I already need. It's picking the board that I want it to go to. We can add thumbnails if you'd like to each of these. I don't really care to do that. And then what I'm going to go ahead and do now is after I've checked each one of them, I can update the times if I want to. For these, I'm cool with these all going out at the same time. And then I'm just going to change the status over here to ready to schedule. TikTok, ready to schedule, LinkedIn, ready to schedule, and YouTube, ready to schedule. Okay. And then when I click out of here, you can see I've got all of my posts here. They're ready to schedule. Notion Social is going to poll in about a second. I'm going to go ahead and change this one to ready to schedule too. And you can see that now it's scheduled, optimized, ready to go. And it'll do this for all of these. It just takes a second for it to pull it all. And then you can see once it's published, it shows up here. And the cool thing about this is that this is the YouTube one, it will automatically fill in the link to where it is, and it will fill in the metrics for it too. So this one I just published a little while ago. It's already got 104 views, which is awesome. So if you are a small business owner, a solo business owner, or even a business owner with a tiny team, and you're trying to stay visible online without spending hours or your entire life creating content, this workflow and tools have been such a lifesaver for me in developing a healthy content rhythm. If you want to try Notion Social out, I will link below. I have an affiliate link down in the description. And if you want my content multiplier template that makes this whole system work, that will be linked there too. Along with when you buy both, you'll get a tutorial of how to link both together. So everything's easy peasy, lemon squeezy when you are creating your content. If this video was helpful, make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I have got a ton more Notion systems that I have been working on in the beginning of the year, and I can't wait to share them with you. I've also got some really cool marketing tips that I've learned from my client's last $3 million launch. But before you go, let me know in the comments right now what system or task in your business is causing the biggest bottleneck in your business or stalling your growth. I would love to chat about how we can optimize that for you. And I'll see you in the next video.